Hi guys, this is Dr. Abirami, your original guru for physiology. In this video, we are going to learn about one of the beautiful things that happens to us during sleep, dreams. If you have dreamt during your sleep, have you realized that sometimes you are able to remember the dream in the morning, sometimes you are not able to recall the dream. What is the reason for this? That is because if a dream had occurred during your NREM sleep, no rapid eyeball movement sleep, you will not be able to remember the dream in the morning. NREM, no rapid eyeball movement, or not remembered. N for not, REM for remembered. You will not remember your dream if it happens during the NREM sleep. REM, rapid eyeball movement sleep, or REM for remember. If you dream during the REM sleep, you will be able to remember the dream in the morning. So NREM sleep, dreams are not remembered. REM sleep, dreams are remembered. That also, if you have a bad dream during your REM sleep, it comes out as a nightmare. What is a nightmare? You shout out of the bed, you become panic, palpitations. What is the reason for this? During REM sleep, already sympathetic system is activated. Sympathetic activation happens during REM sleep. What is sympathetic? Your fright, fight or flight response, your emergency response. Already your sympathetic is active. On top of that, you have a bad dream. It further aggravates your fight and flight response, and therefore your heart rate increases, BP increases, and that comes out as a nightmare. So if a bad dream happens during REM sleep, it comes out as a nightmare. What is the reason for remembering dreams when it happens during REM sleep? What is so special about this REM sleep? During the REM sleep, we have PGO spike, ponto-geniculo-occipital spike. It's an electrical activity which starts from the pons, goes to the lateral geniculate nucleus of thalamus, and from there it hits on your occipital cortex, ponto-geniculo-occipital spike. Occipital cortex, what is the role of occipital cortex? Vision. So when an electrical activity hits on your occipital cortex, you are able to visualize your dream. That is the reason why when a dream happens during REM sleep, because of PGO spike, we are able to remember or visualize the dream in the morning. So that is about dreams during NREM sleep and REM sleep. Thank you.